Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you quick cash apps that you can use for daily online earnings. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. The first app on the list is Miles app. This app pays you to walk, literally. Miles app is a rewards program and travel app designed to incentivize and track various forms of transportation. It encourages users to explore different modes of transportation, such as walking, cycling, driving, and public transit. It rewards them with points for their activities. The app tracks the distance traveled and converts it into miles, which can be redeemed for various rewards. Miles app users can earn points for actual travel by participating in promotional offers, referring friends, and engaging with partner businesses. The earned miles can be redeemed for rewards such as discounts or transportation services, hotel stays, gift cards, and even products from partnering brands. The app promotes sustainable transportation choices and incentivizes users to adopt greener commuting habits. It also offers features like trip logging, journey history, and challenges to keep users engaged and motivated to earn more miles. So, take that first step, move around, be physically fit, and make quick cash. Next app on the list is Peer-to-Profit. This app allows you to earn money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. When you sign up for Peer-to-Profit, you will be given a unique code that you can use to invite other people to join the network. When someone uses your code to sign up, you will earn a commission on their earnings. You can also make money by leaving your computer turned on and connected to the internet. Peer-to-Profit will use your bandwidth to help other people access the internet, and you will be paid for every gigabyte of transferred data. They're going to pay you just to have the app installed. Peer-to-Profit is a legitimate company that has been in business for several years. However, there are some potential drawbacks to using the platform. First, your internet speed may be slowed if you use a lot of bandwidth. Second, you may be exposed to malware or other security risks if you're not careful. The more devices you install this app, the more money you can earn. Observer is third on the list. This mobile app allows users to earn money by completing various tasks and assignments. The app serves as a platform to connect businesses and brands with individuals who are willing to perform specific tasks in exchange for compensation. Through the Observer app, users can browse available assignments in their area, which typically involve visiting physical retail locations such as grocery stores or restaurants and completing tasks such as taking photos, checking product displays, or providing feedback on customer service. Users must typically follow specific guidelines and instructions the business or brands offer. Once the tasks are completed, users submit their findings or photos through the app and are compensated accordingly. Payments can vary depending on the complexity and nature of the task. Observer aims to provide businesses with real-time insights and data while allowing individuals to earn money in their spare time. If you want an app that rewards users with cryptocurrency for shopping online, then Social Good is for you. The app has over 20,000 partnered stores, including Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. When you shop through a Social Good app, you will earn a percentage of your purchase back in SG tokens. SG tokens are a cryptocurrency that can be exchanged for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. The Social Good app is a great way to earn cryptocurrency while shopping online. If you keep and stake the cryptocurrency within the app, you will make an interest in your holdings. And if you prefer not to risk it, you can exchange it for popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and then cash out your funds. It's also a great way to support social good causes. The company donates 100% of its profits to charity. OneQ is next on the list. It's a mobile market research platform and survey app that connects businesses with individuals willing to participate in short surveys in exchange for compensation. The app aims to provide quick and concise surveys that can be completed within a minute or two, making it convenient for users to earn money on the go. Users who sign up for OneQ receive notifications when new surveys become available. These surveys typically involve multiple choice questions or simple tasks that can be completed directly within the app. Upon completing a survey, users are rewarded with a payment commonly credited to their OneQ account. OneQ delivers targeted and real-time market research insights to businesses by connecting them with an engaged user base. Users can customize their profiles to receive surveys that align with their demographics and interests, allowing for more relevant and personalized survey opportunities. Amazon Shopper Panel is a program offered by Amazon that allows selected Amazon customers to earn rewards by sharing their purchasing data and providing feedback on their shopping experiences. The Amazon Shopper panel participants are invited to provide information about their non-Amazon purchases by submitting receipts from various retailers. This data helps Amazon gain insight into consumer shopping behavior and preferences, which can be used to improve its products, services, and advertising. In exchange for participating and sharing their shopping data, members of the Amazon Shopper panel can earn rewards such as Amazon gift cards. The specific rewards and compensation structure may vary, and for every 10 receipts you upload to the app, you will receive $10 in Amazon credit, which you can use for purchases on the platform. It's a great opportunity, isn't it? And if you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. The next app on the list offers instant cash rewards for completing surveys, participating in cash giveaways, and completing polls. It has received high ratings on all app stores with thousands of 5-star reviews. On this app, you can earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per survey you complete. The surveys are generally quick to complete, often taking just a few minutes. The app is called Intercash. The next app is the most talked about today. Webull is a mobile and web-based trading platform that provides access to stock trading, options trading, and other investment products. It's designed for both beginner and experienced traders, and it offers a range of features and tools to support trading activities. Webull provides real-time market data, customizable charts, technical indicators, research tools, and news updates to help users make informed trading decisions. The app offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options, making it popular among traders looking for cost-effective trading options. Webull also offers extended trading hours, allowing users to trade during pre-market and after-market sessions. It also provides a simulated trading feature, a paper trading account, allowing users to practice trading strategies without using real money. Webull provides a user-friendly interface, educational resources, and community features where users can share and discuss trading ideas. It's available for both iOS and Android devices and accessible via a web browser. It's important to note that while Webull offers a range of features and services, trading and investing involves risks. It's essential to conduct thorough research and consider your financial situation and goals before making investment decisions. Mobi is a mobile app that allows users to earn rewards by completing mystery shopping tasks. The app will enable users to visit physical retail locations, perform specific tasks, or provide feedback on their shopping experiences. Users of the Mobi app can browse available tasks in their area and choose the ones they're interested in. Tasks typically involve taking photos of product displays, verifying prices, evaluating customer service, or answering survey questions about their shopping experiences. Upon completing a mission, users earn points referred to as Mobi Stones, which can be redeemed for various rewards such as gift cards to popular retailers or cash via PayPal. The number of points earned per mission can vary depending on the complexity and time required. Mobi provides a platform for businesses to gather real-time insights and data on their store operations and customer experiences. The app aims to make mystery shopping accessible to a broader audience while rewarding users for their time and efforts. GlobalAdventures.com is a website that offers compensation for submitting videos of walks, hikes, or drone shots. Depending on their quality and length, they will pay up to a couple dollars for these videos. To participate, you must visit their website and complete a form with details about the video you want to submit. After submitting, you'll need to wait for a response from them. There are a few requirements for the videos. They should be well lit, without any swearing or background music, and at least in HD quality. You can submit your video and receive a payment if you meet the criteria. Hire Car is a platform connecting people who want to rent a car for ride-sharing or delivery services with vehicle owners willing to rent out their cars. It primarily targets rideshare drivers for services like Uber and Lyft. The Hire Car app allows individuals to sign up as either car owners or renters. Car owners can list their vehicles on the platform, set rental rates, and specify availability. Renters can browse available cars in their area, book them for a specified period, and complete the rental process through the app. For car owners, Hire Car allows them to earn extra income by renting out their vehicles when they're not using them. On the other hand, renters can access various vehicles for their ride-sharing or delivery needs without the long-term commitment of owning a car. Hire Car offers insurance coverage for both car owners and renters during the rental period, providing both parties protection and peace of mind. Here's an app for every gamer out there. Misplay is a mobile gaming platform that allows users to discover and play mobile games in exchange for rewards. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. The concept behind Misplay is to create an engaging gaming experience while allowing users to earn virtual currency of gift cards for playing games. Users can choose from a wide selection of games available on the platform and make Misplay units based on their playtime and achievements within the games. Accumulated Misplay units can be redeemed for various rewards, such as gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Google Play, and more. The availability and value of rewards may vary depending on your location. Misplay also provides a social aspect where users can connect with friends, join chat rooms, and participate in community activities. The app also offers game recommendations based on the user's preferences and playing history. Next is a guinea pig app. This app is called Midswarm, offers monetary compensation for participating in online studies. The studies don't involve medical procedures like vaccine injections. Instead, they require you to record a 40 to 60-second video answering provided questions. The payout for these studies is up to $50 per study. Like other apps on this list, Midswarm promises to pay you within 24 hours. To participate, you need to meet a few simple requirements. You should be visible on your camera, and your background should be free from distractions like kids running or dogs playing behind you. You can easily earn money through the app if you fulfill these criteria. This next app is for all the renters out there. Piñata is an app that benefits renters who pay their rent on time. It provides Piñata cash that can be exchanged for gift cards and other rewards. If you're a renter, you'll appreciate the app's features, such as discounts on everyday expenses when purchased through the app. Piñata will report your timely rent payments to major credit bureaus if you opt in, which can significantly improve your credit scores. Just by paying your rent on time, you can earn a couple of dollars using Piñata. Considering that you must pay rent regardless, it's an excellent opportunity to get paid for something you already do. And our last app on this list is Make Money. This mobile app on Android and iOS platforms offers various ways to earn money through simple tasks and activities. Make Money allows users to earn income by completing tasks such as taking surveys, downloading and testing apps, watching videos, participating in offers, and more. The tasks generally involve engaging with advertisers' content or providing feedback on products and services. The app typically rewards users with virtual currency or points for completing tasks, and these points can be redeemed for cash through platforms like PayPal or gift cards from popular retailers. It's important to note that while Make Money offers potential earnings, the amount of money you can make will depend on the specific tasks available, the time you invest, and your geographic location. Numerous apps and platforms offer opportunities to earn money, rewards, or other benefits through various activities. Whether completing surveys, participating in online studies, playing games, renting out your belongings, or engaging in other tasks, these apps can provide additional income or valuable incentives. It's essential to consider approaching these opportunities with a degree of caution. Be sure to review the terms and conditions, understand the requirements, and assess the legitimacy and reputation of the apps or platforms before engaging with them. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.